My mom really loves this thing that I made with my CNC mill. I guess I'll make another one for her. We want to go outside and try to find some driftwood or similar. A piece of wood that's rough, preferably shaped by nature, to contrast the very precise CNC milling that we're gonna do. I think this one will work. We'll use Fusion 360 to model up a simple box that we'll put a small hole in, and that's where we'll put a heart. We can find the heart on Thingiverse or any other site. We set up the stock for machining, and then we let Fusion 360 figure out how it's going to cut it, using the adaptive strategy. And we'll use one of the scallop strategies to get the final surface. And now we can just sit back and let the machine do the work. And here's the result. Turned out quite well. She will be very happy with this. I think she'll really like it. Now, I made this seem very easy, but it really wasn't. Subscribe to my channel for the next video where I'll show you everything that went wrong and how I fixed it. Now, since you stayed to the end, you should probably like my video. And please consider supporting me on Patreon for more videos in the future. Thanks.